Now we get into the meat of the matter. I'm going to go into automated FEM. As I mentioned, there are several methods of automated FEM. And for this particular assembly, we are going to use a user-driven procedure. That is because this particular assembly is a combination of both surface parts and solid parts. So we are going to initialize different kinds of rules for different kinds of parts. That's where the user-driven procedure comes into play. So I'm going to pick user-driven. The first thing I'm going to do is create a filter, because based on the attribute of the part, based on the attribute that I've already defined, based on the prefixes, I'm going to say, go ahead and select all the parts that has this prefix called as shell. So now those shell parts have been filtered. So I'm going to apply a procedure. Here, all I need to do is consume those surface parts and then initialize a quad mesh and then initialize a shell section. So based on my previous inputs, it automatically remembers what mesh size I should use, what thickness I should use to initialize the section property of this particular part. So that is done.